In this video, I want to demonstrate how easy it is to scrape some content out of a website. For example, here we have our website, and imagine you want to scrape this footer from our website. So how can you achieve that? L- in, let's view the source code first of all, and if we scroll to the bottom, we will see we have this div which has an ID footer text and a content inside. So how can we scrape this content out of this web page? So first of all, we have to install in our Visual Studio project the HtmlAgilityPack. In order to do that, our NuGet will be very helpful, and we will search for Agility Pack. Here it is, and install it. It will install all the necessary files in our project, and it's ready to use. So I will now create a new page, sample web page, and I write here a label, just a container for our information, and I give it a name, an ID, sorry. So label 1, nothing more. Now we need to access the remote page, and we create a method, private, and return a string, which will be our content, and we can call this method get text. Let text from books. Now, the next step is to add a reference to the page that we want to scrape, and the agility pack will be helpful in this. And we create a variable var called, we can call it web get equal to new HTML web, and I have to add the reference to the agility pack. And now we create another variable which we can call document or doc, equal to webget, the variable we just created, equal to webget dot load. And now we can load the page that we were looking for, which was www.online.com. Now that we have um, a pointer to our website, we need to access um, the element in the page. And in order to do that, we use the HTML Agility Pack, which will point to the specific node inside the page that we were looking for. So we create an HTML node. We can call it our node equal to document dot document node dot select document node. We want this specific node, And how we can reference this node? This is a mix path um, we are looking for. So we will look for a div which is called which is called ID equal to equal to let's see what was the footer name, which was footer text. Okay, and so in this one, with this notation, we are retrieving exactly a div which has the ID equal to footer text. And now that we have reached this specific node, we can say return. We can actually, we could add an if statement. So make sure this node exists. If our node is not null, then return our node dot inner HTML. Otherwise, else return nothing. And it should just work. Let's try it. Oh, we have to say that our label one dot text equal to get text. Now let's view the page in browser. And here we have our text inside our page we just viewed. Thank you for listening.